Hi everybody out there. If you happen to have a Giantex home collection remote control for your adjustable bed, you have to press the head up and foot up buttons at the same time. This one here and this one here at the same time. While pushing those two buttons, press the Learn button underneath the bed frame. You'll hear a chime noise and your remote will be reprogrammed. Make sure you put fresh batteries in your remote control, AAA batteries, and you're good to go. Good luck. I hope this helps those who needed help just like I did.